Stop by and take a look at the 2023 Traverse. Chevy Traverse is more stylish than minivans and far more fuel and space efficient than truck-based SUVs. Crossovers like the Traverse are excellent family vehicles and is priced below $30,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, active grille shutters, stability control, roll stability control, fog lights, power brakes, braking assist, traction control, rear view camera. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.